Good afternoon, ma'am. This is my code. The title of my code is User Registration Form. In package User Registration Form, it declares the package name as User Registration Form. Next, the import Java Swing, import Java AWT, import Java AWT event, import Java SQL, import Java util logging label and logging logger. It imports the necessary libraries. The Java Swing, it is the GUI components like GFrame, GLabel, GButton, and etc. The Java AWT for layout like grid layout. Java AWT event is for handling events like button clicks. Java SQL for database operations like JDBC. Java util logging for logging exceptions. Java class, the public class user registration form, it is defined the main class. The user registration form, it is the constructor for the class. It sets up the GUI and event handling. The G text field text name, it is the text field for user to enter the name. The G level email and G text field email, it is the level and text field for email. And the G level password, it is the level and password field for the password input. G label button, it is the empty label to fill the layout grid. The G button, new G button submit, it is the button level submit. The button action database insertion, button add action listener, it adds an action listener using an expression when the submit button is clicked. The string name, string email, string password, it is retrieves values from the text fields. The string query, it is SQL insert query using placeholders or values. The try class for name, it is the loads, the MySQL JDBC driver. The connection on driver manager, it connects to the database, user database with username, root, and empty password. The prepared statement path, that prepared statement path set string, name, email, password. It prepares and fills the SQL statement with the user inputs. The path execute update, it executes the SQL statement to insert the data. The G option panel, show message dialog, it displays a success message. The catch logger, it catches and logs exceptions if something goes wrong with the database connection or query. Its name, email, text pass, it clears the form fields after submission. The frame set size sets the window size for it sets window size to 400 times 300 pixels. The frame set default close operation, it closes the app when the window is closed. Frame set layout, it uses a grid layout with 4 rows and 2 columns. Frame set visible, makes the frame visible. Main method, the public static void main string args new user registration is the entry point of the program. instantiates the form to show the GUI. And the output of my code is user registration form with the components of enter full name, enter email address, enter password, and submit.